Welcome back, guys. Today is a long video. I'm gonna do Redbubble tutorials. I'm gonna start this business today. I didn't done that before. I heard about it. Instead of thinking about starting, I'm gonna do it. I create some designs. In future video, I will show how you can create design, how you can get ideas and everything. But this video is solely only purpose is to create um, Redbubble account and uploading first product. So like a tutorial to you guys. So if you are new to my channels, I make videos on money making, life changing stories, and all the videos are related to build up a successful online business or successful life. So if you are new to my channel, subscribe, like, and share. Just go jump into videos. So you have to visit website called Redbubble. Redbubble is a print-on-demand service. Basically, what you have to do, you have to create an account, upload your design to this website. Then that's all you have to do. If you want, you can promote the design using social media or paid advertisement. Once the order came to your Redbubble account, they will print and send the t-shirt or hoodies or coffee mug or phone cases to the customer. You make the difference as a profit, which is an easy way to make money. So only thing you have to come up with is best selling or best trending designs. These designs, if you have a graphic designer, you can create design like that. I don't do graphic design. I have a minimum knowledge on Photoshop, so I'm gonna use Canva. But before I'll show you that, if you have a very good design, if you can make an awful lot of money using this website, and you can come up with the trending design in the trending topic. The trending topics are like Area 51 or PewDiePie was T-series or the planting 20 million trees. So that's the trending topics. You can get this information on YouTube. So then you can use for any Photoshop to come up with a design like this, and you can upload it to Redbubbles and you can make money from it. So just go to the top of the page and sell your art, and I'm gonna create my first account. So let's see. Okay, profile market. Okay, I know that I get started for free. Then these are the information you have to fill it up. So I need to post the video and I will come back. Okay, once you sign in, when you create an account, it will open this page. So they say design picked for you, clothing stickers, but I don't want to. Okay, Redbubble, join the club. Okay, I don't, so I have to go here and your list, order history, and add management portfolio. Okay, I go to my list here. Okay, this is the thing. I made a mistake. I never done that setting part. That's the thing. Little bit confusing in the start. So you have to go add new work, and it will open up the page. Okay, this is the way to upload to old product, copy and setting from certain work. Okay, upload old product, just see what is here. So you have to come up with the design before you create accounts. I have a couple of them right now. Okay, I can show you one of my design. I already made it. Okay, this one here. Oh, it's a Brexit, right? So England and European Union, so you can come up with these designs easily. Open up. It will open up, and you need to put the title. So just put Brexit and the tags and description, so I can post my video and fill this information and come back. So in order to get where you can get your title and tags and upload description, is just go to Google and put what your t-shirt meaning. So the Brexit logo t-shirt and put Redbubble, and it's bring other Redbubble t-shirt and the similar topics, and then we can open up that and upload it. Just copy and paste the title and description for your listening here. If you see that, there's one Brexit t-shirt, British Independent Day t-shirt, Winston Churchill and Slim Fit t-shirt. So you have to come, just copy and paste this section here. Then you can edit the title if you're in the future. The tags, with comma, so you have to come with Brexit. Did they use any? They can't see it. Okay. You have to come up with some tags for your for your t-shirts. Then you can still change it in the future, but that's it. Brexit t-shirt. I want to see what's the description they wrote. Feature. Okay, slim fit. Okay, just see. Just first fill your first listening and see how it's working. Then you can uh, change everything in the future. So this done. We have to come media. Select up the media: photography, design, illustration, painting, and mixed media, drawing. This is the digital art. I think so. It's a digital art collection. Default we use in your shop image only. Anybody public put this one. Anybody in public, and this is mature content no. And I have a right to save this for containing this. Yes, I have a right to save this part. And we still upload the image. You can see once it finished. Okay, and let's see what happened. Okay, somehow that first design it was not uploading. I don't know why, but I had to check it out and make a video for that. But this design is uploaded fine. This is a simple text-based design. The feature is female. I saw that slogan in some TV shows, so I decided to make money. I did that in my research. People are selling it on Etsy and Amazon and eBay. So I just copy and paste the title and tags again. Female t-shirt and something like that, because I need to do a little bit research on how to put tags and description, but I will make a video in the future. Just this video is about the tutorial, just to give you a basic idea instead of thinking about starting print on demand. So in t-shirts, just start this one. So features female, a background color. I don't want any background color. Standard printing. Yes, this is okay. Enabled, and this one I don't want that. I don't want that. I want to disable this ones and enable this one. Feature is female stickers enabled. Phone case, I don't want that because the design is not working. The feature is female for this one okay, this one okay, and this filler okay, and alright. You have to come up with the design. These are the different type of products, so you need to select the feature is female. I don't want the coffee cup. This one is okay, but I don't want that. I don't want the socks either. Yes, and yes. Not journal. No, the feature is no, because the design is not aligned with it. This bag is fine. The feature is female. Wall clock is fine, and I want to disable this one. Path mat, alright, and alright. These are the designs. These are the product I want to put my design on it. So I select it and everything. Come down to the bottom of the page. Is photography, design and illustration in digital art. I don't know. Is it design and illustration, painting and mixed media drawing? This is not the design icon with design and art image only. And for the end, yes. Okay, this is not the metric content, and save the work. And there's a uploading process happening. Hopefully it will complete. Like yes, it's complete and processing complete. Just see the listening how it look like. The feature is female. This is my only you can buy this as a complete. So at the moment you did the upload artwork and everything, but you need to complete the profile. So this is the name. You're gonna put the store details, payment and everything, which then Redbubble can transfer money and everything. So these are the things that you have to do. Okay, you need to put first address and everything, and also you need to complete your account detail and everything. That's it, guys. So if you are thinking of print on demand, so to the t-shirts and everything, start with Redbubble. T-Public is a subsidiary of Redbubble, so either one. First, I recommend start with Redbubble, then build your way after that. And don't worry about your first design, because you never going to know which going to work or not. Because if you see other Redbubble account, they have a 300, 400. Some people have over thousands of designs. But you need to first come up with the 5 or 6 design, upload it, and see it, and go through the entire account and understand how they're working and everything. Then you can come up with the designs, so you can make at least $100 per day easily without doing anything every single day. So this is the best way to make money online. So I will make a future videos on how to create the first product, how to do the research, and my feature promoting everything. I will make a video on that. So if you are new to my channel, I again tell you to subscribe, like, and share. Under that, see you in next video.